For OneDrive configurations, connect the cable to the drive. Slide the drive into the drive cage and make sure the drive is properly inserted. For two drive configurations, align the conduction plate with the rear side of the upper drive and then fasten the 4 screws. Connect the cable to the lower drive. Slide the lower drive into the drive cage and make sure the lower drive is properly inserted. Slide the upper drive into the drive cage and make sure the upper drive is properly inserted. Turn over the drive assembly cage and fasten the 2 screws. Install the drive cage. Install the tray cover.